Originally was born in Aurora, Colorado, and grew up in Denver, right over by Thomas Jefferson High School, and lived there my whole life. I really didn't know what I wanted to do until I got to college, honestly. When I got to college, I talked to my counselor, and she said, "What do you like to do?" I said, "Well, I like working with kids, I like basketball, and I like science." She's like, "Well, how about you take a look at teaching?" Okay. From then on, just kind of hit the ground running and never stopped. I chose science because it's around us every day. You can walk outside, you can explain why things are happening around you, why things are a certain color, why we are the way we are. And I love being able to look at something and be able to explain it and say, hey, this is really what's going on, this is what this is made of. And it helps you see the world in a whole different light. Wanted to serve in the military starting at a young age. In 6th grade, I knew I was going in the military in some way, shape, or form. Originally, I wanted to go to the Air Force Academy, but by the time I started applying, just kind of realized it wasn't for me. And so I enlisted in the military right after high school, and always had that, I guess, patriotism, and always wanted to serve my country. I've received so much from the country, and I wanted to do my part and give back. And so far, I've absolutely enjoyed doing that as well. My first career field, I worked with nuclear, chemical, and biological warfare, and then I switched career fields into what I do now. I'm working with munitions and building bombs and missiles and maintaining accountability for those things for our fighter jets. And it's been a very unique experience, something I couldn't have gotten anywhere else. I grew up playing basketball played since I was 5. I guess I just ended up loving basketball. I was originally intending on playing in college, but went a different direction, went in the military, and got into volunteer coaching up at Fort Collins while I was attending Colorado State, and just ended up loving coaching, like being in charge and watching the kids grow and develop. I guess in summation, I absolutely love being here at Rock Canyon, love the energy, love all the students, and being around the high school. It's definitely a unique experience, and even with as many great things that happen in my life, honestly, I've never felt so rewarded at the end of every day than I do when I leave here.